Yeah, these are my viewers. It's my mom and my brother. So, hey everybody, I'm Zach, and I just want to start off by saying that everybody should get a job that they love doing and to stick with it so that they remain happy in their lives. I feel like it's something that would make people happy. I learned about being an architect because that's the job that I want to do through class in high school, and I researched about what they did, and I just found that I really liked what they did on the average day. So throughout the speech, I'll explain what architects actually do and why I want to pursue this career more. Starting off, I have to go to school and get an engineering degree, which is currently underway, actually. Then I'll actually just basically work on a computer. That's what architects do. They work on a computer. I have to learn how to use software like AutoCAD, which I'm somewhat familiar with already, and other software and apps like that. There's no physical requirements for this unless I decide to actually go out in the field and actually help build stuff that I design, assuming that is what I do. I will need communication skills because there will most likely be bigger projects that I'll have to collaborate with multiple architects with to get a finished piece. I researched what they do, and everything sounds really fun to me. One of the best parts actually is being able to work from home, which is like a dream for me. I know someone who's not an architect, but he uses similar software and programs that an architect would use, and he has his own, like he literally has his own app, and like that's awesome. The average day would be starting out, if I'm starting on a new project, I'd have to survey the land or area where I would be designing something, and then I'd go back to my desk and start designing things, small pieces at a time, and eventually they come together like a big puzzle. A con of being an architect would be being stuck behind a computer screen all day, but I think that I could get around that. Despite me wanting to do this, I may have to move in order to fulfill this goal. I live in a small area where there's just not a high demand for architects. Fortunately, I do live near some big cities where the demand is higher and it'd be easier to get hired. I wouldn't mind commuting because, like I said, the cities aren't too far away, so it'd just be an easy way for me to get out. Overall, being an architect is something that I want to do because it reflects some of my core values. I have always liked building and designing things, and I just would like to be able to carry that to my future because it makes me kind of feel like a kid still. I would also be able to work from home, which I think is just the coolest thing. I am a homebody, so I don't like going out. And I get to play behind a computer screen all day. Like, that's awesome. I may have to move, which I wouldn't be opposed to, but I feel like that would be a small price to pay to be in the career that I want to be in. Thank you for listening.